Hello everyone, welcome to Sci-Ease. In this video, I will tell you about the nomenclature of the carbon compounds. We have already discussed how to name the alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. In alkanes, we use ane as suffix, in alkene, ene as suffix, and in alkynes, yne, Y-N-E, as a suffix. That I have told you. Now, here we will take some functional group. If some functional group is present in the chain, how we will name that organic compound, I am going to tell you. In 10th class, there are some functional groups. In higher classes, you will study more functional groups. Here, if heteroatom is Cl or Br, the functional group that is halo, chloro or bromo. So what is the formula of the functional group, chloro or bromo? If it is chloro, then Cl, it is the substitute for hydrogen atom. We will replace one hydrogen atom with the halo group. If it is bromo, then we will put Br. And here what prefix? Here prefix is used. If it is methane and we have replaced one hydrogen with Cl, then its name will be chloromethane. If it is replaced by Br, then bromomethane, bromoethane. So this will result in forming the homologous series also. I've told you about the homologous series. Here, if it is, suppose, chloromethane, okay, and the second member, that will be C2H5 chloroethane. So the difference between the two is again CH2. So the homologous series that will be formed in case of this chloroalkanes or haloalkanes, you can say. So there is again the difference of CH2. That is why I have told you that I will tell you later on this is the case. Now, there are some functional groups in which the heteroatom is oxygen. If one hydrogen, suppose it is methane, and one hydrogen that is replaced by OH group, alcohol, that will be alcohol, and its formula for the functional group that is OH. Suppose this is CH3OH. So what is the suffix used here? Here the suffix used is OL, ol. So its name will be methanol. Ol is used as a suffix. Now, here the general formula for alcohols, that is CnH2n plus 1 OH. So, the next member, ethanol, C2H5OH. Again, this is the homologous series. There is difference of CH2 group here. Now, come to another functional group, that is the aldehydes. Aldehyde that has the formula CHO. You can write it like this also. I have splitted it. There is carbonyl group present. This is C double bond O is a carbonyl group present in it. And you can write it like this also. But mind it, aldehyde group is always at the end of the organic compound. OH branching is there, but aldehyde group, that is at the end, and you can write it like CHO. And what is the suffix used here? It is al, A-L, al. So the first member here is HCHO. So what is the name of this compound? It is methanol. Methanol. And mind it that this carbon atom of aldehyde, that is always included in the chain. I will tell you later on also by taking some example. So next is, we always study aldehyde with ketones also. We always compare them. Now ketone. Ketone is, it can't be at the end. Here also carbonyl group is there, but this is not at the end. It's always in the middle. So first member of this, that can be, if we write CH3 and CH3 here. And the suffix used is -one. Now you can count the number of the carbon atoms. Here there are 3 carbon atoms. So propane, that is a parent chain, is propane. We will delete E of alkane with -one. Methane, E will be deleted, methanol, ethanol. Here methanol, E will be deleted, and in place of that the functional group, the suffix for the functional group, that will be used. So here the first member, that is the propanone for the ketones. Here first member is methanol, another, that is, if the second is CH3CHO. It is 2 carbons, then it is ethanol. Now the last one, that is the carboxylic acid group. Carboxylic acid, for that the formula for the functional group is C double bond O, OH. Here also carbonyl group is there. But you can write it like this also. And again, this is also used at the end. And the carbon of this group, that is counted while naming the compound. So the first member here, first member of the carboxylic acid, that is, common name I am going to tell you, that is formic acid or methanoic acid. Here the suffix used is oic acid. So it will be methanoic acid. I have counted this carbon. And if it is CH3, COOH, then what is this? It is ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Homologous series, that is true here also. Here there is a difference of again CH2 group. Everywhere there is difference of CH2. So this is the homologous series for this. And I have told you about the functional groups and how we are to name them. I will tell you some examples, simple examples, and how to count the carbon chain that I must tell you. The first example is this. Here, first we will identify the carbon chain, the length of the carbon chain. We should choose the longest carbon chain. Sometimes there is branching. We should choose the longest chain and we should write the number on the carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is no double or triple bond or any functional group attached here. So 6-membered, so it is hexane. Now next example, first identify the functional group present here. Here it is OH. Suffix used is ol. It's an alcohol. And now identify the carbon chain. And mind it that we are to start the numbering from where the group is attached. Functional group should get the minimum number. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane is the parent name, but as there is alcoholic group present here, so ol instead of butane we will write butanol. E will be deleted and the name is butanol. And sometimes because it is present on the first carbon, we will write it like butane 1-ol. Now the next example is this. Here we will identify the functional group. This is the aldehyde group and the suffix used here is -ul. And I've told you that this carbon of the functional group will also be counted while counting the numbers of this chain, number of the carbons in the chain. So we will start again from the side where the functional group is attached. So it will be 1, 2 and 3. And here the suffix is -ul. So it will be propanol or propan 1-ul. Now take the next case. I have told you that ketonic group, it is in the middle. And here again, the carbon of this carbonyl group will be counted. But from where the numbering will start? From here, then this will get 3 number. But when we will count from this side, 1, 2. So the group should get the lowest number. So we will write the number like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. And suffix used here is -one. So it is butanone. Or because carbon 2, so it can also be written as butane 2-one. Next is identify the again functional group, and this is a short question. I want to tell you that sometimes you are to give the names of these compounds and sometimes name is given and you are to write the structure formula. Now here halo group bromo is attached and I've told you that this can be used as a prefix. Numbering 1, 2, 3. So it will be bromopropane. Now come to this first. Here the group attached is carboxylic acid group and this carbon will again we will count 1, 2, 3. So this will be propanoic acid. Oic acid, that is a suffix used here. Now come to this. I've written with red either the functional group or, in order to distinguish it, or double or triple bond. First we will say that this is the alkene because it has double bond. Now again, from where the numbering will start, we will start from this side so that this will get the minimum number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be butene. And the number that will be given the first number. It is between 1 and 2, but we will write but 1 ene. Or you can write like this also, butene 1. Now come to the last example. This is the alkyne. Now, in this case, this is in the middle. So numbering, if we will start numbering like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hexane, main. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in both the cases, the triple bond is between third and fourth carbon atom. So how we will name it? It is hexyne. Hexyne. Or you can say hexyne, hex 3-ine. So it is my request to all of you that practice the naming part. It's very important, and there is sure short question in the exams. Practice more. That will be easier for you to understand organic chemistry in higher classes also. You should know the naming first. Thank you.